How to fix RapidWeaver not uninstalling on Mac. Here's a script you can use to uninstall RapidWeaver on Mac. 1. Open TextEdit or any other plain text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following code into the editor, #bin/bash. #stop RapidWeaver processes sudo killall RapidWeaver #remove RapidWeaver components sudo rmrf/application/RapidWeaver.app sudo rmrf/library/application /support/RapidWeaver sudo rmrf/library/QuickLook/RapidWeaver.qlgenerator sudo rmrf/users/$ whoami /library/application /support/RapidWeaver sudo rmrf/users/$ whoami /library/caches/com Mac software.rapidweaver.app sudo rmrf/users/$ whoami /library/caches/RapidWeaver sudo rmrf/users/$ whoami /library/preferences/com Mac software.rapidweaver8.plus sudo rmrf/users/$ whoami /library/preferences/com Mac software.rapidweaver8.ls shared file list.plist sudo rmrf/users/$ whoami /library/save/application/state/com Mac software.rapidweaver8.saved state sudo rmrf/private/var/db/receipt/com Mac software.rapidweaver8**. Echo RapidWeaver has been uninstalled. 3. Save the file with a name and the .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_rapidweaver.sh, in the directory of your choice. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved the file using the cd command. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_rapidweaver.sh and pressing enter. 6. Enter your administrator password when prompted. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, RapidWeaver will be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.